How to wirelessly transfer data from Samsung Galaxy S25 series to another Android or Samsung phone. So first, tap on the home button on both devices. Here we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then over here tap on accounts and backup. Then tap on transfer data for device setup. On your other Samsung or Android device, make sure you have already installed Smart Switch from Play Store. So you can search for Smart Switch and open it, not this one. So we want the one from Samsung. Okay, so tap on that and open it. After on the receiving device, you want to choose receive on this phone. Then we're going to select Galaxy or Android and choose wireless. Here it will have the QR code. So on our S25, we're going to simply scan it. So here I will scan it. And I say connecting to transfer your data. So it is now connecting to the Galaxy S22 Plus and transferring the data over. Okay, on the other device, you can choose to transfer everything over, or you can choose just accounts, codes, contacts, and messages, or custom. Here I will select custom and tap on next. So from here you can choose what to transfer over. So to make this video quick, I will simply select say images and then I'll tap on transfer. And you can see for images it is fairly quick to transfer the data over since there are not many images or photos on my device. While it is transferring, you can choose keep screen on both devices so that the phone doesn't turn off the screen. Okay, so now it's finished, and on my S25 you can tap on done, and on the new device we can wait for it to finish setting up the data. Okay, so now it's done. The transfer results shows 217 items has been transferred over. Tap on next and then tap on done. After the transfer over of the device, make sure you go and inspect everything is fully transferred over. You do not want to miss anything before you go ahead and delete data on the Galaxy S25. And that's it. So that's how you can transfer the data over. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.